For many of you, the lesson today is going to feel like review. However, I'm still, if you can skip ahead, go at your own speed. For here, though, these are the 4 steps to solving every linear equation. Step 1, you got to simplify each side by combining like terms or using the distributive property. Number 2, you got to get all your variables together. I recommend getting all the x's left and all the regular numbers right, but you can do whichever side you want. Then you solve for your x or b or c or whatever. And then last step is you check your answer. So we have a problem like this. It looks pretty complicated. But all we have to do is do it each step at a time. So I'm going to do distributive property here and distributive property here. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times negative 1x is negative 4x plus 3x equals negative 2x minus 2. I'm going to combine these two right away. So I get 4 minus 1x equals negative 2x minus 2. I'm going to move the x's to the left. So I get 4 plus 1x equals negative 2. And I'm going to subtract 4. And it looks like I'm done with 1x equals negative 6, because negative 2 and negative 4 combine to negative 6, or x equals negative 6. And then, of course, I go and check my answer using my calculator. From here, similar type of situation, I would like you to pause and try this on your own. Okay, so we're back. Let's see how we did here. Distributive property, distributive property. So we had negative 12x minus 3 plus 6x equals 8x minus 24. Combine to get negative 6x minus 3 equals 8x minus 24. So I'm going to add 6x. I'm going to move it to the right. I'm going to add 24 and move it left. So we get 21 equals 14x. So x equals 2 over 3. And then I check it. So I get negative 3 I was hoping that would work. Negative 7 and negative 4. Oh, so I made a mistake. So let's go back and take a look. Plus 6x. Negative 6x minus 3. Just a second, let me pause it quick, see if I can find it. All right, I found my mistake. It's not 2 over 3 here because I'm dividing by 14 on both sides. It's x equals 3 over 2. And I did check my answer, and it did match up. Alrighty, so we got some fraction involvement here. I would like you to pause this one and try it on your own. Also, the code word is pause. So we're back. Let's see how we did. Well, 1/4 distributed to each of these. That gives us 3x plus 4 is equal to 10 minus 3x plus 6. Be careful with this plus here. I am going to combine the 10 and the 6 to give me 16 minus 3x is equal to 3x plus 4. I'm going to add 3x to both sides. So I get 6x plus 4 equals 16. Subtract 4. 6x equals 12. Now I divide by 6 on both sides. And so I get x equals 2. So I'm going to pause it to check my answer quick. And it did end up working. Alrighty, I would like to try one story problem here. No, two story problems. First one is you want to join a gym, but you can't decide which one you want to do. One has you paying a $10 member's fee, but it's $5 per visit. And the other is simply $7 per visit. And the question is, which one is better? Well, the way I want to solve this is I'm going to set up two examples. I'll have gym 1 and I'll have gym 2. So gym 1, after one visit, I'm going to have $15 because it's $10 fee and then $5 per visit. Gym 2, it's $20. And then 3 is $25, and so on and so forth. Gym 2, after one visit, it's $7. After 2, it's $14. After 3, it's $21. And so it looks like I have to continue this pattern for a little while. Oops, 40. Then I'll continue this on here. 28, 35. Oh, I found a matchup. So after 5 visits, these gyms cost the same amount. And then after those 5 visits, one's cheaper. Now if we notice, okay, so 5 visits is the equal. So before 5, gym 2 is better. And then after 5, gym 1 is better. So the story problem, I found a place where they cost the same amount, and then I just set them on one side versus the other. So I'd like you to try this one on your own. Let's see how we did. So Blockbuster charges $5 to rent a game. Gamefly charges $3, but you have to pay $12 a month. So which is better and why? Okay, so I got that since it's $2 more expensive for Blockbuster, after 6 rentals, they're the same. Okay, so then after 6, Gamefly is better. And before 6, Blockbuster is better. Alrighty. Here's the problems that you're going to work on tomorrow in class.